Hi everyone, it's Yasemin Islek, the creator of Beauty by a Model, and today with me I have Halo London hair extensions, and the one I'm wearing right now is the pony in brown. Check it out, look how much it matches my hair color as well. I am absolutely so in love with these hair extensions and I can't wait to show you how to apply them and put them in your hair. Now I'll just go ahead and show you how to put in this hairpiece. Very simple indeed. So to start off, I've just put my hair into a pony and just to hairspray the sides to kind of keep it a little bit tamed. I've just placed 2 hair ties on the top of my head and I'm going to go in with a third and just put that just above those other hair ties, just to add that extra height. Apparently this is what Ariana Grande's hairdresser does to add that height and make it look more luscious and big. So this is what the front of the pony looks like, and this is what the inside looks like. You've got the Velcro here, and then you've got this little clip here which goes underneath the hair tie to secure it in, and then you basically wrap it around just like that, and then you get the hair and wrap that around as well, and you just keep doing that and then bobby pin it once it's done. So I'll just go ahead and show you how to do that. So with the Velcro, I've just wrapped it around and secured that, and now I'm going to go around with the hair. And now I'll just bobby pin that last bit there. And it's just as simple as that. There you have it. So my real hair stops at about here, and then the rest of the hair extensions just continues about there. So it really does add that extra length and thickness to the hair. So the hair extensions are real human hair, so you can treat it as you would treat your own hair. So don't forget to put a heat protector in it before you do straighten the hair. When brushing the hair extensions, you want to minimize damage, so start from brushing from the bottom upwards. So this is what the case looks like that you keep the hair extensions in, and you also clip it to this, and then you just pop it in to the bag through this bit here, and then it just goes like that inside. There's a little hole here, pop it like that, and then you can just literally keep it in the closet and it's protected, it's safe. Love it. And then you've got your brushes as well to brush your Halo hair extensions. Don't forget to use Yasemin20 for 20% off all the hair extensions. Just want to say thank you so much for watching everyone. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also check out Beauty by a Model. Thanks and see you later.